Hey guys, this is Abhishek. Welcome back to my channel, The Open Code. Today we are going to learn about how to create a table in MySQL database. In my last video, I talked about what is a database schema and what are different default database schemas which comes with MySQL installation. Then we also tried creating a new schema, and then we looked into how we can switch between different databases or schemas. I would request you to go through my last video if you want to have a quick recap. I will also provide a link in this video description. In this video, we are going to learn about what is rows and columns in a database, and then I will try to explain you what is a table. Okay, let's get started. If you have seen my other videos, you might have known by now that once you install a MySQL database, basically you install a database server. Now this server contains multiple schemas. Now if server contains schemas, then the next question comes to my mind is what schema contains inside. So a schema or database contains all the database objects like tables, views, stored procedures, functions, triggers and things like that. For this discussion purposes, we will be only looking into tables. Just to show you visually, all the green dots you see here are tables, which is enclosed into a schema, and the schema is enclosed into DB server. We will talk about other database objects like views, stored procedures and other objects in upcoming videos. Okay, now the next question is what is table? So a table in a very simplest form is nothing but a structured way of storing data. It is usually being picturized as a collection of rows and columns. Let's try to understand this using some graphics. So think of this green rectangle as a table. As you know, a table contains rows and columns, so the next step is to look into rows. A row or a tuple is a record in the structured database. Here it is represented by this light orange color. Here I have 4 rows mentioned as row 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next step is to look into columns. Here the columns are represented by light blue rectangles. So if you can see that a row is nothing but a combination of multiple columns. A row is also known as tuple, and the most important thing is that a column is of always same data type, whereas a row is a combination of multiple column data types. We will look into data types in coming videos. So think of these columns as name, column 2 can be date of birth, column 3 can be address and things like that. So a row is a combination of multiple columns. Okay guys, enough of theory. In the next video, I will be showing you various commands related to a table. It will include creating a table, dropping a table, and altering a table. So see you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.